everybody, welcome back if you've been here before, and if you're new here then welcome. My name is Eve. I post all sorts of makeup and beauty related content, and today's video is a W7 mystery box. Now my friend Kerry did an unboxing of one of these recently. I will link her video down below, and it was interesting, let's just say it like that. So I was desperate to get one myself because we all know I love a mystery box, and I've actually teamed up in collaboration with my other friend Amylouise.Mua for this video, so she's bought one as well. She will be doing a video too, so I will also link her channel down below. I'll put a picture of her up here because she is talented. Like, she is a MUA by trade. She did train as an MUA and she's absolutely incredible. Like, her looks is just like mind numbing, and I could never collaborate with her on like an actual makeup video because she would just put me to shame. So I thought what better way to do it than to do a mystery box video. So it does come in this box that's got like W7 over it, which I think is quite cute, and it's very well sealed, so just hang on while I get my scissors. And also I will hopefully put some of this makeup on my face. That's why I'm bare-faced, and also because I've been up since 5 o'clock this morning. But I just picked it up on my way home from placement, and I just thought I can't wait till tomorrow to film this. Like, I'm so impatient, so hence why I look like I've not had any sleep. Now, they don't make it easy to get into. Well, that was a workout. So we are in. So it comes all bubble wrapped, which is quite good. Can't see any spoilers. There's a lot of bubble wrap, so that's fantastic. Then I have got my invoice. Mystery box, this was £19.99. Right, first thing I see is something that Kerry got, and it is a face mask. W7 reusable fashion mask. Now, I'm not going to use this. I work in a hospital, so I get face masks at the hospital, and I don't even know what to do with that, to be honest. I don't even know if I would put that in a giveaway box or not, but it's there. They're just trying to keep up with the times, I guess. Then next thing I have is, you know, I think I've got the same as what Kerry got. I can't remember exactly what she got. I know that I'm pretty sure I've got some of the things the same. So the next thing is these nails. Now these are gorgeous nails. Like, they are really, really pretty nails with the wee gems on them. Like, it's got this bit down at the bottom that you can see what your nail's going to look like. That's cute. They're nice. Now, it's not something that I wear. Again, working in an operating department, we can't have fake nails on for kind of obvious reasons, so I don't know whether to put these in a giveaway or keep them for like a night out or something in a few months when we're actually allowed. So the next thing is this Glow Up Multi Glow Beam. It says, add these intelligent drops to your moisturiser, primer or foundation for a luminescent, smooth, more even appearance of skin. Alternatively, apply directly to your skin for the ultimate strobing effect. Now, I will try these. These are, don't know if there's a different shade, so I'll give them a shake just because I feel like that's what we should do. Right, so they're iridescent. Can you see that? It's kind of like purpley. Let's just rub it in. Oh, it sinks in super fast. It's got a strange smell. I think that might be nice as primer, you know. It did smooth in really, really fast. Okay, so Kerry had this as well. This is a foundation. Maybe I should have learned from Kerry's mistake, you know, like, but I'd heard somewhere that a lot of the boxes were different, so yeah, I probably won't end up putting this makeup on because like I don't even know what to say. That is the colour. That is the colour. I don't know anyone. Why put a foundation on here? Like, I'm just repeating the things that Kerry says, like, but why? Because there's also a concealer. Darn. I don't know if they were thinking, oh, just appeal to everyone, you know, put a really, really light one and a really, really dark one in. I mean, don't get me wrong, the packaging on this, it's glass, it's good packaging, it's a HD foundation, but I just wasted my money here. But the concealer, it might work for me, it probably will actually, because I am very, very pale. And this is the W7, it's a Matte Made in Heaven Heavenly Matte Concealer Anti-Soreness, which I assume is meant to be anti-crease. I can't see what colour this is in. Cool 3, light cool 3. So we'll give this a wee swatch. Yeah, that colour will work. Again, it doesn't smell very nice. That colour will work for me fine. Next now is a primer. Always like a nice primer. This one is the Prime Magic Camera Ready. Looks like a hydrating primer. Is W7, where is W7 from? Is this England? Oh wait. Where are W7 from? Because there's a lot of foreign writing on here and I don't know what language it is. So let's just open this primer and see what it's like. Right, so it's one of these kind of blue hydrating ones, but this one smells quite nice. Which is a primer, I don't know why I'm showing you, you're not going to be able to see. But that's what it is. Then we've got a brush. Oh, okay, this is nice. This is nice and soft. It's not the best shape for pat and powder. Oh, actually it could work. And it just says W7, so this is what the brush looks like. So this is fine. And then the bristles are coming out. It does feel light, but it feels okay. I'm happy with that. Happy with that. I can't go wrong with a brush. And then we have a lipstick. This is a Filthy Rich 24 Karat Kiss. I better show you. I don't know what colour this is in. Maybe Filthy Rich is the colour. Now this looks metallic. I will need to rewatch Kerry's video because I can't remember. Okay. So that is metallic. Let's watch it. Right, well it is metallic, but it's not the worst colour in the world. It doesn't look that pigmented, but it's got kind of like, I don't even know if you'll be able to see, like kind of different reflex, some kind of pink, there we go, some kind of pinky goldy. I'll try that. Like, it doesn't excite me hugely, but it's not the worst thing in the world. We have a gloss, Mail & Kiss gloss. This looks nice. This is in shade, I don't know, is there more than one shade? Packaging's cute, like Kerry says, it's definitely Too Faced vibes. Let's smell it. Oh. It smells nice, but I don't know. Let's put some on. quite bright actually. You know what, that's quite a nice colour. Yeah, I like that. That'd be nice for a lip liner, kind of coral. Lip liner, maybe it's nice and summery. Yeah, that's fine. Nothing wrong with that. Then we have a lip liner. This is a Kiss and Gel Soft Gel Lip Liner in the shade Red. Now, I'm quite intrigued by this because I'm on the hunt for good red lip liners because a lot of red lip liners pull pink on me. I'm so interested to see what Amy's got. And it'll be dead funny because if she has got this same box as what me and Kerry got and she's done a full face with it. Ooh. She can't use that foundation, but like oh, where could she use that foundation? Okay, let's give this a wee swatch. Oh, it feels nice and creamy. Oh, that's a nice red. Okay, so I'm happy with that one. Although again it does look a bit pink, but it's a nice kind of darker red. It looks a bit more kind of pink on camera, but in real life it's definitely more of a kind of darker, kind of dark red. Then I have two more products. I have got a by-product. This is the Twist and Shape. And this is, I'm assuming in the colour brown. Brown, yeah, I suppose brown. For something like a brow pencil, a lot of people can get away with the shade brown. So if your eyebrows are fairer, then just go in lightly. If your eyebrows are a bit darker, then just go in a bit darker, I guess. Okay. I'm sure I had this before. So it's just like a, will you be able to see that? Kind of slanted tip. Yeah, that colour will work for a lot of people. It looks kind of warmer toned on camera. There we go. That's fine. I don't ever get that excited about brow pencils. I hate doing my brows. Like, definitely part of my makeup routine that I just do not like to do. Do not like to do it at all. Okay, I'm definitely going to watch more videos on these tonight to see if everyone's got the same, or if it's just because it's luck that we've ordered. I've ordered so recently at Kerry. I was just desperate to see something else. So this is a palette, and this is the W7 Enchanted Palette. This looks pretty. This is most likely a dupe of one of the ABH ones, but honestly can't tell you what one. But what's the colours there? Like, they're really pretty, right? Like, nothing wrong with those colours at all. You get a brush, which if it's anything like the brush in the Solstice palette is really good. Now the question is, do I touch it or dip it in a giveaway? I'm going to have to think about that one because it does look really quite pretty, but I don't want to touch it if I'm going to not use it. So what do I think? A minute, I'll put the list up. So let's go through the products. Nails, great. Palette, nice. Face mask, shite. Illuminator, okay, I need to try it. Foundation, we know my thoughts on that. Concealer, okay for me, but not okay for most people. Lip gloss, I like this. I like the shade that I've chosen, that's cute. Primer, hydrating primer, that's good, it's neither here nor there. Metallic lipstick, oh, I need to try it on my lips to see. Brush, I like the brush. Lip liner, that's good. Brow pencil, it is what it is. So I think that for £20 that's definitely value for money. I would use, like I say, the only thing that I definitely wouldn't work for me is the foundation. So everything else I would give it a go. But going back to what I said earlier, and going back to what Kerry says, you cannot put foundation concealer in a mystery box. And I know it's a mystery box, that's part of the fun. You don't know what you're getting. And even like if they put like a highlighter, it's not always going to work for everyone. But a highlighter will work for a broader range of skin tones than a foundation or a concealer will. So in W7, like I know you're probably not watching this, like I did like this box and it was fun to get it and unpack it, but don't put foundation concealers in, just don't do it. Like brow pencils maybe, you can get away with that, but not foundations and concealers. So that's it, that's all I'm going to say about that. So please do remember and check out Amy's video. I will link it up here, I will link it down there, because she is amazing and she's getting so close to 1k now and I'm so proud of her, and I want you all to go and support her if you haven't already. So if you did like the video, please do give it a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure that notification bell is turned on so that you'll be notified of all my future videos. And also if you know anyone else that has done W7 mystery box unboxings, then please let me know down below and I'll go and check them out. So that's all from me, bye!